Today's video is going to be another thrifting out of town video. It's actually the last one, but before we get into the shopping portion, I wanted to share a quick little tour of this gorgeous 1930s cottage we stayed in. This is actually in New Braunfels, Texas. We stayed a night there and floated the river before we headed home from Kerrville. So yeah, this is in New Braunfels, but then the thrifting part will be back in Kerrville. So y'all enjoy this quick little tour. I think this place is gorgeous, so I just had to share it with y'all. Okay, now we're back in Kerrville, Texas. Sorry if that was a little confusing. We were down in like the old downtown part of Kerrville, and they had a few antique malls, so I stopped into this one because I just can't resist to see if there's anything I could find here that I wouldn't be able to find back home. And I did make out with a few things, so I'll share the haul with y'all at the end of this video. But let's get shopping and see what we can find. at that. So pretty. $100 fern. It's so cute. Dude, this is only $22. I don't have space for it, and if it wasn't green. Garrett, this is adorable. How do you open the dang thing? Gosh. $200. This looks like my kind of booth. Look like a hillbilly out here. My swimsuit, my one-piece dress under my clothes. $170 for 3 of them. Well, the set, I guess. Yikes. I think that these would be pretty, maybe in our bedroom. They're $17.99. I actually have no idea what that says. Beautiful. 400. I die.
Yeah, it's nice. This is vintage too.
It's because it's in here, or you just know it is?
You just know it.
Alright, so here's everything that I came home with that day. The little Avon pieces were in a grab bag for $1, and then the copper things they're like serving pieces, were $7.95 a piece, and the cake server was about $4. So I think I came home with some pretty cute things. I'm pretty happy with my purchases. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.